Everyone says they have the best burger in the world, but this place might actually be right. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We got something special for you today. We are on another food adventure here in Houston. So, you excited? You ready?
Annie.
We've been passing by this place, I don't know how many times, and we decided to come back today and make a video for you guys. We are at Annie's Hamburgers here in South Houston. This place is extremely popular. Like, just since we've been sitting in the car getting set up to go in, I swear like 8 cars has pulled into the parking lot. The parking lot is packed. The store looks like it's extremely busy, and I'm ready to get in and get some burgers.
Let's go.
Let's go. This place is definitely old school. You can see the entire kitchen back there. The staff just going crazy, pumping out burgers and fries and onion rings for this place. So I'm excited. We're gonna see what we got here. So what song is playing right now?
The right stuff.
The Right Stuff. So we just realized while we were ordering, she just sent that song to me, saying that song reminds her of me. And then we walk in here today, and you sent it to me yesterday, right? So we walk in here into Annie's today, and the song is playing. So it was kind of almost meant to be that we're in here trying these burgers today. We're gonna see if Annie's has the right stuff. We'll let you guys know in just a minute. Annie's Hamburgers is one of those classic neighborhood spots that feels like it's been part of the community forever. Located right here on South Post Oak in Houston, Annie's has been serving up simple, old school American comfort food for decades, and that's exactly the appeal. This is the kind of place where burgers stay classic, single, double, bacon cheeseburgers, stacked with lettuce, tomato, onions, and pickles, no gimmicks, just straightforward flavor. And it's not just burgers. Annie's is also known for breakfast with pancakes, French toast, waffles, and breakfast tacos that keep locals coming back in the mornings. On the side, you've got crispy fries, onion rings, and if you've got a sweet tooth, their shakes and lemonade get plenty of love too. The atmosphere is casual and down to earth. It's not fancy, but it's friendly, homey, and full of that old school diner vibe you don't see much anymore. Indoor seating, familiar faces, and a sense of nostalgia that feels very Houston. Annie's is typically open from morning through early evening, making it a solid stop for breakfast, lunch, or early dinner. Prices are modest, portions are hearty, and it's easy to see why it stayed a neighborhood staple for so long. Locals have mixed opinions. Some love it for the nostalgia and classic comfort food, while others say it hasn't changed much over the years, but that's kind of the point. If you're into no-frills burgers, retro diner vibes, and places that feel rooted in the community, Annie's Hamburgers is worth checking out. I just realized there's a little old school oven in the corner over here. I'm gonna go check it out. What does the fries taste like? Because they don't.
They taste like non-McDonald's fries.
Non-McDonald's. Are they as good as McDonald's?
That's why I said non-McDonald's fries. They're like just like if you were to go to a frozen section and get them and fry them at home. That's what it tastes like to me.
They're not bad, but they're definitely not McDonald's. What's sad is we compare fries to McDonald's. They taste good to me. What's the burger taste like?
It's good. It's really good.
All right. So guys, we got a junior burger, or kids burger, fries, a what is this? Not a classic, but a single cheese jalapenos and some onion rings and a brownie and 2 drinks for $24. So the price is not bad, really. I'm gonna tell you, the price to me does not seem bad. Let's see what this burger looks like.
All right.
First off, this looks pretty good. I can see all of the onions, lettuce, tomatoes, jalapenos. The patty tastes like it's char grilled. The patty almost tastes like a Burger King patty. We need that one. But this is a good, really good burger. Tell you what these taste like. Really crunchy, but soft. You can really taste the onion in there. That is a really good onion ring. You could almost come here just for these alone. If you're an onion ring fan, this is the place to go. Got more.
So guys, even though this isn't a small, old, like style building, don't sleep on it, because these burgers are good and the price is right. They also sell breakfast, which we'll most likely come back for, so stay tuned for that. But I just wanted you to know, don't let the appearance fool you when you're driving by, because it's an old town, old side of town, old building, all of that stuff. But the food is really good and very affordable, especially if you have a family. Come on in. We finished our burger. That was great. And now we're gonna try the brownie. Oh, it's so moist. I can already tell it's really good. Oh, look at that, look at that. Yep. It's good. It's moist. I think it's got chocolate chips in it. It does not have nuts in it, but it's got chocolate chips in it. It's very good.
This lemonade is absolutely fantastic. There's a lot of light coming in, so that's why we sat in this corner, because you can kind of see outside. But sorry about that. This lemonade is fantastic. It's almost like a slushy, or what some people call water ice, but it tastes like real lemonade. When you taste it, it tastes like real lemonade. It's a little more on the tart side, but with just a hint of sweetness. I mean, for me, it's perfect. And try this.
It's tart.
What you think, for real?
It's not too tart. It's good.
It's good.
It's really good.
It tastes like you squeeze a lemon and put a little sugar in it.
It's really good.
I can imagine having one of these like in the middle of the summer swing by here, grab one instead of going to Burger King right there, because Burger King has the slushy drinks. That thing is good. So anyway, I think we're about to wrap this lunch up. You think? Yeah, it's about time to head out of here. So, you like 𝐼𝐸's?
Yeah, we love 𝐼𝐸's.
How long you been coming here?
Oh, since I was a baby, and now my girls have been coming here. 33 years old, so.
Oh wow!
For a long time.
33 years. That's awesome. The food is fantastic. What do you ladies think?
Is it good, girls? Do you like the burgers here?
Well, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
I think you did. All right, guys, so we are done at Annie's. We actually, between the last time you saw us in this video and now, we actually went on a big city exploration and figured out we need to wrap up our video. So we are wrapping this video up now. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope that if you get anywhere near Annie's, you pay them a visit. Fantastic food. I'm not even a brownie fan. That brownie was awesome. What'd you think?
It was good.
It was good. It was good. The brownie was, it was moist. It was
chocolate.
The crust on top was just right. The burger was fantastic. To me, it tasted almost like it was charbroiled, but I don't think it was. It was fried on a. It was good food. Annie's, it's official. Annie's has good food. We are burger connoisseur. We could tell you about some good burgers. And Annie's is one of those places. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit like. Please leave us a note and subscribe to our channel, because we got lots more videos coming in 2026. Lots of adventure, lots of food, and lots of food adventures. So anyway, until we see you guys next time, peace.